Hari Om. Congratulations, all of you. I have the great joy and pleasant time visiting Soil many times, even during the inauguration of that great institute. And I am very happy that you have come here for your convocation, because the great idea, I believe, started from a great mind or great person, Swami Chinmayanand. Whenever I think of inspired leadership, I remember my teacher, Swami Chinmayanand Maharaj. He himself was a great inspired leader. And I'm sure all of you will become great inspired leaders in your own respective fields. Swamiji used to quote one shloka from Bhagavad Gita, which he believed is the secret of being a good leader. You want to know the shloka? Yeah. It's in the third chapter. It's called Yad Yad Acharate Shreshtaha Tatta Deve Taro Janaha Sayat Pramanam Kurute Lokas Tadanu Vartate. That whatever way a great person conducts, in the same way others also follow him or her. Whatever he considers as praman, as authority, as the right path or the right method, others also accept it. So he believed that to be a good leader is to be a great person oneself. By becoming a Shreshta Purusha, we can create or we can influence others around us. By being what we want to achieve, we can influence others around us. Like the great Mahatma Gandhi, he said, you be the change what you want to see in the world. So that is what Pujya Gurudev believed, that if I want to bring about transformation in the world around me, I have to bring transformation first in myself. When I become perfect, if I become transformed, if I myself am self-inspired, then I will be able to give that inspiration, create inspiration in the world around me. And I'm sure that this philosophy is followed in Soil, where each one of you are like inspired leaders, and you will create that center around which a great many things will happen around. In the world also, whenever we think of any great leaders, we always think of what he or she is. First is what a person is, and second is what that person has achieved. What that person is very important. What we are depends on us. What we can achieve depends on so many other factors. But what we are is something much deeper, something much more powerful. So if we ourselves become greatly inspired and we try to bring out the hidden potential which is there in us, I'm sure each one of us can be a great leader in this world. So I invoke the blessings of Pujya Gurudev on each one of you who are graduating, on those who have just joined the school, and also on all the great teachers and others, and your parents, of course, who are very happy here to join this ceremony. I invoke the blessings of Pujya Gurudev on all of us, that may we, in our own way, be leader to someone around us, and also at the same time, we be follower of someone greater than us. So in this way, we can lead the entire nation and in the way, entire world to higher and higher state. So I wish you all the best. Hari Om.